Here's how to check if your monitor is running at its max refresh rate. So the first thing that you are going to do is go ahead and click on the Windows icon on your laptop or PC. After clicking on the Windows icon, what you need to do is redirect yourself to the System options. Once you click on the System options, you will see there the option such as the display, sound, notification, focus, and power. What you need to do is to press on the display options. Once you press the display options, you will be redirected to the related settings. What you need to do is to click on the advanced display options under the related settings. Once you press on the advanced display, you will now see there the display information and you will see there choose refresh rate. Now you can go ahead and refresh the rate of your laptop or PC if it's not on the max.